I've been starting out every workout with 4 sets of just working the band overhead and back. I've also been doing air squats, trying to work on my flexibility so I can get an overhead squat. I've never been able to do this since I've been a kid. And right now, I'm getting to the point where I'm getting close. I can do it with a dowling or a PVC pipe overhead, but I finally got it where I can pretty much almost...
This exercise isn't about strength. It's more about flexibility, right?
It's about everything.
Nice.
For me, doing 6 of those with some load, it's a lot. Katie just beats it out like it ain't nothing. Make me look stupid. That shoulder mobility, that hip mobility, on point. That's impressive. I'm a partially. So I'm looking at my email this morning. I get a mass email from one of the other sites that sell supplements that you're just a number to, right? They were bragging that one supplement line was free shipping. Bro, if you order over $99 in product in the continental US, any day of the week, free shipping anywhere in the US, at continental USA. Free shipping on orders over $99 at tigerfitness.com. Why even look at the other guys? And also we ship from Vegas and Ohio. Most places in the US are a 1 to 2 day ship. And that's not a game.